match Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken Slim Shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation and I'm tired of bombing. It's high school, he's cool, he's not a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit. This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Could've had it any ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing. It's high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang magkatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang loto. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi natin bibit. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi nating bitbit. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang loto. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi natin bitbit.
Ano, maorad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Good afternoon, Bicolandia. We are now on our second game this Saturday. It is Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 with your commentators. I am Tina Canzareyas and with me is Jasper Abante para sa isang magandang bakbakan between UNC-TRIFIT Naga at ACLC-TRIFIT.
And of course, we are live here at the Naga College Foundation Tigers covered court for our second game this Saturday. And ayun na nga, Ten, nasabi mo kanina, magandang bakbakan na naman ang nag-aantay sa atin ngayon. Especially yung ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks is still looking for their first win this season. And UNC-TRIFIT Naga, marami nang nagawang statements at marami na ring napatunayan dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. Abangan natin kung ano yung mga inihanda nilang performances, game plans, and strategies para sa atin ngayong second game.
And of course naman, medyo mahihirapan dito yung ating ACLC Think Pro knowing that UNC-TRIFIT Naga, maganda yung naging performance nila doon sa kanilang mga last game. And nasabi mo nga kanina na itong ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks, wala pang panalo for this season. Knowing that they are the youngest team here, but at the same time, yung mga naging laro nila in the past, lesson para sa kanila, and every game pag talagang ina-adapt nila yung mga natututunan nila. So let's see here if ever man na meron bang pagbabago doon sa game plan nitong ating ACLC Think Pro. So let's just see if Coach Deswanko gagawa ng paraan dito sa side ng ACLC to really have a change of momentum here even once. Kasi gusto nating makakita ng laban ng ACLC Think Pro na maganda. And to hear an update from the side of ACLC, andyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey. Hi Casey, update natin.
Marhaino to Bicolandia. We are now on the second game of the day.
for this Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup 2025. This is Casey Anchoquia bringing you exclusive updates on the side of ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Nalalapit na nga tayo sa quarterfinals, Tin and Jasper, but the Think Pro Hawks have yet to claim their first win, kaya naman this game is crucial for them. Kanina nga ay nakausap ko si John Bernard Basagre and he emphasized that staying within the team's system and playing as one unit is their main focus moving forward. He also added that their mindset for this game is to learn from it and trust the system. As what the saying goes, it's not about how you start, but how you finish. But will they be able to finally clinch their first win? Yan ang ating aabangan dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Kaabang-abang nga din kung ano yung gagawin nila para makuha nila yung unang panalo dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. Lalong-lalo natin, papalapit na tayo sa quarterfinals. We are down to our last week ng ating Oragon Basketball League elimination round. And of course, aabangan natin kung ano or paano nila isi-secure yung unang panalo nila since alam naman natin kung gaano sila nahirapan dun sa past games nila. And this time, on the other side, we have here Chen, our courtside reporter on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Marahay na pagkahapon, Tin and Jasper, and of course, hello sa aming mga Oragon viewers. We are now on the 7th week of Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. Ako po, si Chen Shaira Nicolas, at ako po muli ang makakasama nyo ngayon dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT Naga. And as I got a little conversation nga with Coach Herman, and according to him, 5 days of sweat, strategy, and sheer determination have led them to this moment. Maigi din nilang pinag-ensayohan ang depensa at matinding opensa para dito sa kanilang last game for the elimination round, at dagdag pa niya na hopefully ay manalo sila para sa larong ito. Kaya naman sikaping tumutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Yan lamang, and I'll be back for more updates.
Thank you so much, Jen. Ayan, grabing practice, hard work talaga ditong ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga. And also, they focuses on their defense as well as on the offense. Since kahit nga yung ACLC Think Pro Hawks yung makakalaban nila dito, talagang pinaghandaan nila. And they want to be their last game for the elimination round. Be intense, be full of actions here. So let's see if that will be the matchup this afternoon as we are about to start the first quarter of this UNC-TRIFIT Naga and ACLC Think Pro Hawks matchup. Now, first ball possession nasa side ng UNC-TRIFIT.
And that tip-up is for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Let's see kung anong gagawin nila dito para makakuha ng unang puntos dito sa laban na ito. Jersey number 27, a successful 3 points. Hatid sa atin yan ng GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO, Amaro of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Magandang first blood nga yung ginawa nila dito. Nothing but the net pa yung ginawa niya dito. Let's see with Sandigan. Basket count plus a foul naman dito kay Sandigan on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. A chance here na makapuntos rin ng 3 puntos, and that instant replay is brought to us by Angena Trading and Safe Gasoline. Sandigan standing on the free throw line for his 3-point play opportunity, and that was good on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Parehas na 3 puntos yung unang puntos nitong dalawang teams na ito. So magandang bakbakan talaga din ang naghaabang sa atin on that early statement. And now, jersey number 6 to Kevin Taugan. Tira na, pinasa pa sa Kido. Now on the outside, Amaro once again. Now go down the triple. And here comes Basagre securing that defensive rebound for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks.
Now Basagre, ACLC Think Pro, maagang nagpakitang gilas dito sa loob against UNC-TRIFIT. Maganda yun na dito pa lang ipinapaalam na ng ACLC Think Pro na handa silang lumaban against UNC-TRIFIT. Now let's see with this ball possession, can ACLC get a point here? Now Mase, heavily guarded here, goes inside, tries, sayang yon, but a second chance point here for ACLC. Suarez yung andyan para sa second chance point na yan. And They are now on the lead here. Magandang umpisa para dito sa Think Pro. Pero babawi ba UNC-TRIFIT? Ganon kadali para sa kanila dito for an easy 2. Courtesy of jersey number 7 here. Festine. For Garcia rather. Now, Karunan, fadeaway shot, that's good.
Now, ACLC Think Pro Hawks ball possession. Masi magtatawid ngayon ng bola. Gagawa dito ng diskarte for the ACLC Think Pro. Now, almost losing that ball. But Suarez is there to save that ball and to directly get that 2 points for the Think Pro. And now, Amaro naman ngayon ang magtatawid ng bola for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Now, Sakido on the outside. A good ball rotation here. Kevin Taugan, no good on that triple. And now, magandang facing nung laro itong dalawang teams na ito. But a rejection here coming from Kevin Taugan. And that block is brought to us by BICOL Concrete. Hollow blocks now. Grabe, talagang maganda. Mukhang pinaghandaan nila tong laban na to 10 para makagawa ng statement dito sa ating second game ngayong Sabado. And that last shot is brought to us by John Bernard Basagre. And this time, mahihirapan dito si Garcia, and it's the ball possession of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Kickball na nga yung itatawag dyan ng ating officials. Grabe yung agawan doon ng bola. Talagang kinailangan ng gumamit ng paa dito ni Razon. But that was a kicked ball violation.
Now talagang they're proving that even it is their last game this elimination, talagang gagawa nila ng paraan to give us a good matchup here. Now another deadlock here. Early first quarter, we can see that both teams really wants to get this win. Now Sandigan, 14 seconds to shoot, goes inside, snatching that ball. Amaro passes to Taugan, and Taugan delivers. UNC-TRIFIT now having that 2-point lead.
And now, ACLC Think Pro Hawks with 6 minutes and 3 seconds on the game clock. What will they do here? Now, Mase to Basagre. Back to Mase on the outside, firing for 3. No good on that attempt. And it will be a defensive rebound, but out of bounds as the same ball possession here for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Mase for that sideline inbound. Magandang performance din yung nakikita natin for both of these teams dito sa ating first quarter. So we'll see kung paano nila to i-maintain up until the end of this quarter. Now, Basagre to Razon, almost losing that ball. And now Tolosa is in. And now Mase back to Razon for 3. No good on that shot, and a defensive rebound here by Caronan. And now, Kevin Taugan, maraming kasabay dito. Nico Caronan naman ngayon. In and out ball for that 3-point shot. And stepping on the line ang itatawag dyan ng ating referee. The ball will go on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks.
Now, during that first half of this quarter, nakita natin na yung mga high school players lang natin yung nasa loob ng ACLC Think Pro Hawks, napakaganda na agad nung naging communication and connection dito sa loob. Now with the help of Tolosa, one of the veterans sa side ng ACLC, ngayon mukhang mas maging maganda yung performance dito ng Think Pro. And now, another deadlock, but Amaro releasing that 3 no good. Sakido fighting for that ball, but it will go on the side of ACLC. Now an opportunity for them. 4 minutes and 33 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Masa now with the ball. What will he do? Dancing with the UNC players. Passes to his teammate, Basagre. 10 to shoot here. But UNC stealing that ball. Taugan one more time here. Pero hindi nakuha yung puntos na yan. Yeah, the whistled foul. Same ball possession there.
And now, it will be Mase that baseline inbound. And Fistin checking in for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Now, Tolosa naman ngayon makakakuha ng 2 points on the side of the ACLC. Think Pro Hawks with 4 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. Now, Fistin on the outside to Taugan. Diretso na ngayon si Taugan pero maaagawan dito ng bola nitong alright, so same ball possession tayo dito. Grabe yung pakikipag-agawan doon ng bola ni Rempilio, making sure na sa kanila mapupunta yung ball possession na iyon. And mapapatawag na nga dito ng timeout itong ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks, courtesy of Coach Edgar Sail.
At ngayon nga dito sa ating first quarter, kitang-kita natin na ito yung hinahanap natin na laro ng ACLC Think Pro Hawks. And looking at our game highlights here, we've seen how good the first quarter is on the side of ACLC Think Pro. So sana maging sunod-sunod yung magagaling o magagandang defense and offense of ACLC Think Pro, knowing that they have their 2-point lead here against UNC-TRIFIT, but at the same time knowing UNC, after this timeout, let's see, baka merong bagong gagawing tactic itong UNC-TRIFIT to get that lead at lumayo pa dito sa ACLC Think Pro. But who knows kung ito bang ACLC Think Pro talagang gusto nila makuha yung kanilang unang panalo for this OBL.
And once again, that game highlights is brought to us by Trian Bakery. And now Rempilio handing it to jersey number 17, Mase. And Tolosa, maraming bantay dun si Tolosa. Maaagawan nga dyan ng bola. And a foul was called here to jersey number 3, Tolosa. Mase. So that is his first foul for this game. Now, jersey number 27, Amaro ngayon, magtatawid ng bola for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Fistin, back to Amaro on the outside. Fistin once again, nasa labas pa rin. Anong gagawin nila dito? Now, Nico Caronan for that layup using his right hand, and that was successful. Now, Rempilio, ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Mase on the outside. Diretso ngayon pero bantay sarado dito ni Amaro. And here comes Nico Caronan after that defensive rebound. Now Festin back to Caronan. Now Kevin Tauga naman ngayon. Step back tapos stress. No good on that attempt. Basagre. Malalabas nga yan yung bola. And a ball possession here by the UNC-TRIFIT Naga with Kadag checking in change of Garcia.
Yes. Can you see the difference between the height of UNC and ACLC? Pero nakikipagsabayan itong mga batang players ng ACLC Think Pro. Kaya naman medyo nahihirapan itong UNC-TRIFIT to really have a point conversion here. So that's good na ngayon pa lang na ipapakita na nitong Think Pro yung kanilang depensa dito at hindi alintana yung malalaking katawan ng UNC-TRIFIT to really do their best. So let's see if this will continue up until this matchup. Now, UNC-TRIFIT, Caronan loses that ball. Tolosa was there. And Basagre, ngayon may hawak ng bola. Heavily guarded here by the UNC players. Passes to his teammate. Now Tolosa with 15 seconds to shoot here. What will they do now? Heavily guarded on the side. Basagre snatching that ball. Pero stepping on the line, same ball possession here. 13 all. Now this is a good matchup between these two teams. A minute and 48. I think our time is ticking here.
Now, it's a steal here from Kevin Taugan Pero ipapasa niya pa sana yun kay Kadag. Pero sabi niya, kaya ko naman na itong ipasok. Ako nang bahala dito. Adding 2 points here for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. And now Padayaw on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Now Padayaw, grabe. Kinaliwa nitong si Padayaw on that last shot. And we are down to the last minute and 4 seconds ng ating first quarter. Kevin Taugan no good on that 3-pointer. But Kadag, wala pa rin dun sa kanyang follow-up shot. And now, Basagre on the outside. Now, swings it to Razon. And now, jersey number 29. Razon pa rin on the outside. Nahihirapang ipasok dito nitong ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Anong gagawin nila dito? Basagre for 3, no good. Pero Tolosa for that follow-up shot. 3-point play opportunity pa nga yan, 10. Magandang opportunity ito for Tolosa of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Let's take a look at that instant replay. Grabe naman talaga. And that instant replay is brought to us by Anjana Trading and Safe Gasoline. No good on that 3 points.
Now, UNC-TRIFIT on the offense here. Taugan, heavily guarded, tries, no good, but a whistled foul. Now, ACLC Think Pros set the standard this first quarter. That's why pagpasok ng second quarter, siguradong maganda pa rin yung ipapakita dito ng ACLC Think Pro. And ngayon, na-challenge yung UNC-TRIFIT knowing na dun sa mga past games nila, first quarter pa lang, grabe yung ipinapakitang performance ng UNC-TRIFIT. Pero siguro nagulat sila dito sa performance ngayon ng ACLC Think Pro. Now with 17 seconds to shoot here, Taugan releases, no good. One more time here for UNC, karon na naman, and that's good. Tying the game again by 17 all. Let's see if ACLC Think Pro can end this quarter with a bang. Basagre step back for a 3, no good, and that ends our first quarter with 17 all. What a good matchup, but meron pa tayong second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon, hatid po sa inyo ng The End Bakery.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami.
And we are back here at the NZF Tigers covered court for the second quarter of action. Deadlock pa rin nga tayo 10 sa 17 points. Magandang laban, mahigpit na laban ang natutunghayan natin dito. UNC-TRIFIT Naga and the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Pero 3 agad yung gagawin dyan ni Kevin Taugan para makalamang dito sa ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Early time or early mark ng ating second quarter. Agad naman niyang gagantihan nitong si Sandigan on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Now UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Kadag with that 2 points. Padagdag still leading by 3 points here. But Nico Caronan snatching that long pass of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks.
Now, it is a big factor na first quarter pa lang, ramdam na nung ACLC Think Pro yung ganda ng performance nila. But at the same time, UNC-TRIFIT after that quarter, now, with this last sequence, Taugan, hawak dun sa likod ng ulo niya because of that last sequence. Let's see it. With this instant replay as Kevin Taugan
So that will be a unsportsmanlike foul from jersey number 17, Francis Mase. So ayun, napababa dun yung tapik nitong si Mase. Ulo na dun ni Kevin yung natapik niya. And that will be a successful free throw here for Kevin Taugan. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Chen on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Chen, take it away.
Well, thank you, Tin and Jasper. First quarter is really something dahil hindi nga nagkakalayo ang score sa pagitan ng dalawang kupunan. And during the huddle, they are reminded na sundin ang game plan at kung ano ang ginawa nila during the training. Kailangan lang dito ng players na mas maging focus sa bawat galaw at depensang pinapakita. Last reminder lang na paigtingin palalo ang depensa because defense is the best offense. Yan lamang, balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Jen. Ayan, UNC-TRIFIT will focus more on the defense. As we can see right now for this second quarter, we can see that UNC-TRIFIT lumalayo na because this will be a 10-point lead. Napakalaking kalamangan po ang nagawa ngayon ng UNC-TRIFIT. Make it 12-point lead of UNC. Kung kanina sa first quarter, dikit na dikit yung laban. Pero ngayon, knowing UNC, ito yung sinasabi natin, lalayo at lalayo yan dahil ngayon naman, talagang in-improve nila yung kanilang depensa. But at the same time, on the side of ACLC Think Pro, ano kaya yung gagawin nila dito ngayon na medyo malayo na yung kanilang hahabulin? And to hear an update, andyan po si Casey.
It was a measured start, Tin and Jasper, dahil mukhang nagpapakiramdaman pa ang ating dalawang kupunan sa loob ng hardcourt. But for the Think Pro Hawks, kailangan nilang higpitan ang kanilang depensa upang mapigilan ang namumuong momentum ng kanilang kalaban. The first quarter ended with a deadlock, but the team knows that they need to step up if they want to take control of this game. Kaya naman, abangan natin kung may mangyayari bang changes on the side of Think Pro Hawks for this second quarter of the game. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Grabe yung last sequence na yun ni Kevin Taugan. Ankle break yun, Tin. Grabe. And this time, as you can see, angat na po yung ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga kontra dito sa ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks. That is 14-point lead. And let's see kung ano yung gagawin dito ng ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga para patuloy na i-maintain yung kanilang momentum. With 15, magtatawid ngayon dito ng bola for the TRIFIT Naga. And now Sakido on the outside still. 15, no good on that triple. And a defensive rebound here by jersey number 8 of the ACLC, Suarez. Now John Bernard Basagre to jersey number 5, Tolosa on the inside. Nahihirapang gumalaw dito, but a foul called by our referee. Matatawagan nga dito ng foul, jersey number 30 of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga Estrada.
Now, since UNC-TRIFIT slips away against ACLC Think Pro with a score, ngayon panalitan na dito ni Coach Miggy yung kanyang mga players para makapagpahinga yung kanyang first 6 dito. So now let's see with this second players of UNC-TRIFIT if they can maintain that momentum na nagawa ng mga naunang players dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. And at the same time, ACLC Think Pro, lumalayo na yung UNC, so they need to double their effort now. UNC-TRIFIT to try. That's good. Ngayon, malaki-laki na yung kailangan pagtrabahuhan ng ACLC Think Pro. And no good nga on that last sequence side ng kanilang kupunan. UNC-TRIFIT Kadag snatches that ball dito kay Sandigan. 20 seconds to shoot here. Passes to his teammate, now Basagre to Tolosa. 14 seconds to shoot. Releases, no good.
Now UNC-TRIFIT Estrada securing that defensive rebound. And this time, Sakido, wala pa rin on that second follow-up. Pero yung pangatlo niya, talagang pinilit niya na yun na Vargas. Magtatawid ngayon ng bola for the ACLC. Maraming bantay. And Suarez picks Basagre. Gumawa dito ng diskarte. Vargas. Napakagandang ikot yun ni Vargas. At siya pa nga ang pupuntos dito for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks as we are approaching the midway of our second quarter. Now Kadag, what a shot there. Pull-up jumper on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga.
Now you can really see how UNC adjust their defense now against ACLC Think Pro. Now Basagre. Passes to Vargas, 12 seconds, back to Basagre. Anong gagawin nila dito? Now na medyo malaki yung kanilang hinahabol dito. Tolosa once again, lessening that gap against UNC-TRIFIT.
Now 15. Magtatawid ngayon ng bola for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Kadag. Pull-up jumper Kadag. No good on that shot. And Sandigan to Basagre naman ngayon. Medyo magandang connection yung pinapakita nitong dalawang to dito sa ACLC Think Pro Hawks. No good on that shot by Suarez. Pero UNC makukuha nga ang bola dito. 15. Diretso parang may pupuntahan Ken Estrada to Villaflor. Back to Estrada. No good on that triple. And now Basagre to Vargas of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. 4 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. Makukuha nga niyan ni Vargas ang 2 puntos para sa kanilang koponan. UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Anong gagawing sagot dito? Sakido. No good on that triple. Napapadalas din yung pagtira dito ng tres nitong ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga, but they having this cold hands. Let's see, Vargas back-to-back points here for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. What a commendable performance naman dito on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Ginagawa talaga nila din yung best nila para makabawi at makahabol doon sa lamang ng ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga.
Now the veterans is working on the side of ACLC Think Pro. Sila yung nag-step up ngayon dito sa ating second quarter. And on that last sequence, there's a whistled foul there. Ngayon Tolosa and Vargas. Napakaganda nung ipinakita nilang performance dito sa ating second quarter for the side of ACLC Think Pro, but at the same time, they need to work as a team. At yun na nga, nakita natin yung pag-adjust ng depensa dito ng UNC-TRIFIT kung kaya medyo nahirapan itong mga batang players ng ACLC Think Pro. But big thanks na itong si Tolosa and Vargas was there to lessen that lead of UNC-TRIFIT. Now Basagre for his second free throw here. 39-28, an 11-point lead here. Now UNC-TRIFIT on the offense here. Villaflor ang tatrabaho dito. Diretso sa loob. Passes to Estrada. Jersey number 6. And that's a triple para dito kay jersey number 6 Sakido. Hatid po sa atin yan ng Gilmar CASA de Descanso. Now ACLC, anong pambawi dito? Heavily guarded.
Now UNC-TRIFIT Naga, Nico Caronan for 2 points on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Maagang contribution dito ni Nico Caronan as kakapasok niya lang for the TRIFIT Naga. And now, out of bounds here by Sakido as the ACLC Think Pro Hawks will take that same ball possession with Vargas on the sideline for that sideline inbound. And now, sino kaya dito ang makakapuntos on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks? Suarez losing that ball but still the same ball possession here. Now, nakita natin din yung adjustments ng score from both of these teams, and still magandang depensa yung pinapakita dito ng ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga dahil hirap pa rin itong ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks na makapenetrate sa kanilang front court. So let's wait for a beautiful momentum na kailangan nilang gawin dito para maging sigurado na dun sa kanilang panalo ngayong second game. But Rempilio scoring for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Talagang kayang-kayang makipagsabayan din itong ating mga Think Pro Hawks despite of their disadvantage sa kanilang height. But on that last sequence, it will be Sakido scoring 2 points for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga.
2 minutes dito sa ating second quarter, and Tolosa or Vargas rather with that basket count with a foul here. Now let's take a look at it again with our instant replay as Vargas papasok sa loob ng mga gwardiya ng UNC-TRIFIT. Now let's see, 46-32 on our scoreboard here. Tolosa or Vargas sa kanyang free throw, that's good. 46-33 on our scoreboard. UNC-TRIFIT now with that big lead. At balak pa, mas lakan ng kanilang kupunan. Karunan, but ball possession ngayon ng ACLC Think Pro. Razon, heavily guarded, passes to his teammate. Pero miscommunication on their side here. So bibigyan nila ng oportunidad itong UNC-TRIFIT sa isang magandang momentum again here. 1 minute and 25.
Now, Joshua Villaflor to Sakido on the outside, but Nico Caronan underneath the basket. Ilalabas yan kay Joshua Villaflor. No good on that triple, but still Masinas to Sakido. Still UNC-TRIFIT's opportunity to score here. Nico Caronan in and out ball for that triple, and now Rempilio for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Out of bounds here. Grabe yung tulungan sana doon itong si Rempilio and Basagre. And 54 seconds remaining here for our first half. Now Joshua Villaflor from downtown, no good on that attempt. And this time, ACLC Think Pro. In and out ball rin yung tres doon ni Rempilio. But Rempilio once again here, passing it to Vargas. And what a shot here for Vargas on the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. 27 seconds remaining sa ating first half. UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Anong sagot ang gagawin dito? Joshua Villaflor to Sakido on the outside. Now, Nico Caronan. Now, on the corner, Ken Estrada. Now, Joshua Villaflor. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Joshua Villaflor. Mauubusan nga sila dito ng shot clock because he picks Masinas to finish that shot. Now, 6 seconds remaining here for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Let's see if they can end this quarter with a bang. Vargas here for that sideline inbound. Let's see. John Bernard Basagre, hindi pa pinupulot ang bola. Now, Basagre, diretso. And out of bounds here as the same ball possession for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. But it's much harder dahil 29 milliseconds na lamang yung natitira sa kanila dito. Now, Vargas. A long pass here. And that's the end of our first half. 46-35. Labang po ang ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Don't go away because we'll be right back after this short halftime break brought to us by MNL KINGPIN only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
So completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. All I catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of all of this high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Ano, Morad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Pero ng Oragon, ang lakas sa puso at isip. Kapatiran at respeto laging ating defense.
Ano, maorad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
And we are back, ladies and gentlemen, for our second half. Still live here at the NCF Tigers covered court. Bakbakan po yan ng ACLC Think Pro Hawks and the UNC-TRIFIT Naga, with the TRIFIT leading by 11 big points dito sa nagdaang first half. So let's see kung ano yung gagawin ng both of these teams dito sa ating second half. Will the ACLC get that change of favor, or the UNC-TRIFIT Naga will continue to dominate the hard court up until they secure their win dito sa ating second game ngayong Sabado?
Yes, you can see the very big difference from the first quarter and to the second quarter of this matchup of ACLC Think Pro and UNC-TRIFIT. 46-35. Napalaki yung kalamangan na naitrabaho dito ng UNC-TRIFIT. And now for our third quarter, UNC-TRIFIT with that offensive foul. So an opportunity here for ACLC Think Pro to start this third quarter with good offense and defense. Here ngayon pa lang kailangan nilang pagtrabahuhan yung napakalaking kalamangan na nagawa ng UNC-TRIFIT during that first half so that they can have a good second half as we start the third quarter right now. Basagre passes here to jersey number 0, Lovido, and that's good. Bagong pasok para dito sa ACLC Think Pro at agad-agad na nagpakitang gilas at pumuntos para sa kanyang kupunan. Amaro, Tutogan, Masinas ngayon, Tukaronan. What a good ball rotation there for UNC-TRIFIT. With that good ball rotation, a good point conversion naman yung kanilang nagawa dito. So now, with our ACLC Think Pro, ano yung gagawin nila sa ating third quarter para magbigay ng magandang laban dito? And to hear an update, andyan po si Casey.
Tin and Jasper, mabilis ngang nalamangan ng UNC-TRIFIT itong ACLC Think Pro Hawks during the second quarter. But the team remains determined dahil hindi pa tapos ang laban. Maghahabol nga sila ng puntos dito, kaya naman kailangan nilang magdoble kayod upang makabawi para sa second half ng ating game. The Hawks need to focus on tightening their defense and making smarter offense decisions upang makasagot sa gameplay na ipinapakita ng UNC-TRIFIT. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Titingnan natin kung kakayanin nilang dumobleng kayo dito sa ating second half, dahil kailangan naman nila yon para makuha yung ating change of favor dito sa ating third quarter. And nakikita rin natin na malaki talaga yung lapses nila pagdating sa kanilang depensa, dahil mas madaling nakakapasok yung opensa nitong ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Now, speaking of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga, nandyan rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen to give us an update. Chen, take it away.
Well, thank you, Dean and Jasper. We are now on the second half of the game at paunti-unti nang ipinapakita ng TRIFIT Naga ang kanilang tibay at galing sa larangan ng basketball, not letting the ACLC na makapuntos. During the huddle, the coaches commended the consistency and they are proving the team communication na ipinapakita ng TRIFIT as they are leading the scoreboard for this quarter. Kailangan lang dito ng TRIFIT Naga to always set a break at mas sipagan palalo sa loob ng hardcourt at lalong-lalo na ay bigyan ng konting pressure. That's it for now. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Jen. Ayan nga, team communication sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT, and we can see that. But at the same time, with this first minutes of our third quarter, we can see the change of momentum here sa side ng ACLC Think Pro. Kung kanina medyo lumaki yung kalamangan ng UNC, ngayon na ibaba na po sa 5 ng ACLC Think Pro. Talagang bilog ang bola dito. Ginawan ng paraan ng ACLC Think Pro, pinagtrabahuhan, of course, with the help of Lovido, na bagong pasok pa lang, talagang pumuntos ng pumuntos sa kanilang kupunan dito. Now, it is just a 4-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. Let's see kung anong pabawi dito. And now the momentum is on the side of ACLC. Vargas with that quick 3. In and out ball. Nagkakagawan dito. Batogan gets it. Pero stepping. Or that's a foul. Gold on Lovido. So, itong UNC-TRIFIT, they caught the bleeding on their side here.
Now, it's the ball possession here of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Amaro on the outside, gumagawa ng diskarte, but no good on that triple by jersey number 37, Festin, and Basagre para naman ngayon sa opensa ng ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Basagre. Now, Vargas, no good on that quick 3, and this time it's the UNC-TRIFIT Masina securing that defensive rebound. Out of bounds here. Substitution as Joshua Villaflor checked in for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga, and it will be the ball possession of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Ayun na nga at napatawag na rin dito ng timeout itong ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito. Lalong-lalo na 4 na puntos na lamang din yung hinahabol nila as we are down to the 6th minute mark ng ating third quarter. Let's see kung patuloy na nga nilang mas susungkit yung ating change of favor dito sa ating third quarter. Now also, this timeout is crucial for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga kung paano nila mas paiigtingin yung kanilang depensa, lalong-lalo na yung kanilang opensa para pigilan yung pagsungkit ng change of favor dito sa ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks.
Now, speaking of UNC-TRIFIT, let's commend the performance here of Taogan na siya talaga yung trumabaho, nagpakitang gilas sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. But now with this third quarter, umarangkada itong ACLC Think Pro, and after that timeout, buhay na buhay itong ACLC, pero no good on that last sequence by Tolosa. UNC-TRIFIT ngayon, babawi ba dito with that 4-point lead, dire-diretso, and they get it para dito kay Sakido. ACLC Think Pro now on the offense. Let's see kung anong pambawi nila dito at paano nila gagawa ng paraan yung pagbawas ng kalamangan ng UNC-TRIFIT. Sandigan with 10 seconds to shoot. Sandigan goes inside.
Now, UNC-TRIFIT Naga, a turnover here as Sandigan from that last sequence slip on their front court, and now Joshua Villaflor to Ken Estrada. Quick 3 here, in and out ball on that 3 by Ken Estrada, and now Basagre for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Anong gagawin dito para mabawasan ang kanilang kalamangan? Ay, yun na nga, minadali na doon itong si Basagre. Sabi niya, madali lang to for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks, 2 points. And UNC-TRIFIT, what will they do here? Joshua Villaflor, and now to Ken Estrada. On the short wing, still no good doon sa kanyang papukol ng tres. Cold hands still for Ken Estrada. Binomba pa nga doon ni Kadag, but no good on that attempt. And now ACLC Think Pro Hawks Razon, maaagawan naman dito ni Kadag. And now sa Kido, diretso, pero nandun si Tolosa para pigilan kung anong gustong gawin doon nitong si Sakido. And 2 points here for Vargas of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks as we are approaching the 3-minute mark of our third quarter.
Now, Jasper, that's just a 2-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. Tinrabaho ng ACLC Think Pro yung mga minuto nga ibinigay sa kanila dito. Now, Razon, an opportunity again na maibalik yung momentum sa kanilang kupunan and to tie the game by 50 all at C. Vargas. Releases no good. Estrada with that rebound. Now, UNC-TRIFIT felt pressured right now kasi yung second quarter nasa kanila, but at this moment, it is ACLC Think Pro with that good offense, but at the same time, because of that, tres yung ibibigay sa atin dito ng UNC-TRIFIT. Hatid po sa atin yan ng GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO. Now we only have 3 minutes and 17 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Garcia nagmamadali dito. At napakalaki ni Tolosa dyan. So it was a foul para sa kanya dito.
Parang sinalubong doon si Garcia ng poster 10. Napakagandang depensa sana, but that was a blocking foul here for Tolosa of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. And still it's their opportunity to score here. Grabe yung patres doon on that last sequence, but Joshua Villaflor in and out ball for that 3-point attempt. And this time, muntik nang masundot doon nitong si Kadag yung bola. But jersey number 8 Suarez of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Ididikit naman yung kanilang puntos dito. 3-point lead of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Ilan pa kaya yung idadagdag nila dito? Ken Estrada for that 3 once again brought us by GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO. Napakagandang tres naman. Medyo uminit na dito yung kamay nitong si Ken Estrada at 2 puntos naman yung ganting gagawin dito. Ralph Razon of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks now. Ken Estrada once again to Garcia. No good on that 3-point attempt. Razon nagmamadali ditong gumante. Now let's see. Arroyo, pull-up jumper, no good, and Sakido securing that defensive rebound. Now Joshua Villaflor magtatawid ng bola, sabay bilis ng takbo, and a foul was called by our officials. That will be a foul from Joshua Villaflor. Missed opportunity on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga with 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Still hindi pa rin nagkakaroon ng deadlock or even a change of favor here from the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Now let's see this time.
Basagre, long 2, no good. It looks like itong ating UNC-TRIFIT pinagbigyan lang doon sa pagpasok ng third quarter itong ACLC Think Pro. Papalapitin lang pero sisiguraduhin nila na hindi makakalapit yung puntos dito ng kanilang kalaban. And they are still giving us a good point conversion here as Kadag gets that basket. So anong gagawin ng ACLC Think Pro with that remaining 1 minute and 10? Now Basagre passes to Razon. 14 seconds to shoot here. Now Mase taking his time. Ngayon, naagawan dito ng UNC-TRIFIT. Nagmamadali, Sakido. Sakido goes inside, no good. Last 15 seconds of our third quarter. ACLC Think Pro denied there. Pero nasa kanila pa rin ang ball possession. Aspas, Sagre gets it.
What a commendable performance naman dito. John Bernard Basagre of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. And now Ken Estrada of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga on the outside. Mukhang titira na naman ang tres dito. Now, Ken Estrada Diretso. Ken Estrada, no good on his attempt. And a defensive rebound here by the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Basagre once again. Maraming kasabay doon. And now, Arroyo kakapusin naman on that shot. Joshua Villaflor. What a pass here to Ken Estrada. Still no good. ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Mauubusan na nga dito ng oras. Sayang yung buzzer beater shot sana. And that is almost an alley-oop play here for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. And that's the end of our third quarter. 58-54, 4-point lead ng ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Don't go away because we'll be right back for our fourth and final quarter. And this commercial break is brought to us by 3N Bakery.
Ano, Morad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon!
And we are back for the fourth and final quarter of this heated matchup of UNC-TRIFIT Naga and ACLC Think Pro. As we can see with our scoreboard, napakalapit lang po ng puntos nitong ating dalawang koponan. 58-54. Now let's see kung paano ba natin bubuksan itong ating fourth quarter. Now ACLC Think Pro naghahabol ng 4 na puntos dito. Vargas releases, no good. Ngayon, kitang-kita natin yung pagbabago ng depensa dito ng ACLC. Talagang bigay todo na. They are doubling their effort now, looking at our point, and they are really determined to get their first win for the season of Oragon Basketball League. Now, ball possession of ACLC with that 6-point lead coming from the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Let's see here. If they can convert a point, Sandigan heavily guarded. Caronal was there to snatch that ball and Taugan. Basket count with a foul. What a good way to start our fourth quarter. Let's see it again. As Taugan getting that point. At meron pang isang bonus free throw dito. At ang ating instant replay is brought to us by Safe Gasoline and Anjena Trading. Now Taugan, para sa kanyang isang free throw dito to extend their lead. No good. Tolosa with that rebound. Masa ngayon, heavily guarded here. 3 players ng UNC. Hindi siya umubura dito. And once again, a whistled foul there. Mase yung tatawagan dito ng foul. 62-54, but also Jasper, bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating fourth quarter, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors sa Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Superb Cuts and Soul, Katie Sportswear, Crown Park, Skytech Advertising, Home Pet, Pin Cafe, AET Ads, Taylor Swift, Laod Seruma, Crown Hotel, and Glass House Beach Resort. Now Masinas, second free throw, no good. 62-54 on our scoreboard here. Paano kaya magiging unang puntos ng ACLC kung itong UNC-TRIFIT patuloy sa pag-snatch ng bola sa kanilang kupunan? Taugan one more time. And doon si Masinas, tinapik lang yung bola doon. And now we are adjusting the lead here as we are back on the 10 points ng UNC-TRIFIT and Sandigan. Papawi. Unang basket ng ACLC Think Pro dito. 3 galing kay Sandigan. But UNC-TRIFIT offensive rebound. Hindi kumana doon. ACLC now on the run. Sandigan one more time here. That's a 5 straight points coming from Sandigan. Let's see. UNC-TRIFIT ngayon felt pressured with that presence of ACLC players. Villaflor. Tukaro na naman ngayon para sa 3. No good.
And now ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Vargas with that shot, pero traveling violation ang itatawag dyan ng ating referees. Traveling is more fun din with Naga yun. Travel and Tours, isa yan sa ating magigiting na sponsors. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Chen on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Jasper. Andito na nga tayo sa final and fourth quarter of the game. Kasing init nga ng panahon ang laban dito dahil hindi nga nagkakalayo ang score sa pagitan lang dalawang kupunan. Talagang parehas gustong umuwing panalo para dito sa last game for the elimination round. Para naman dito sa TRIFIT Naga, this is their last push to establish a strong man-to-man defense para makuha ang panalo. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, mga Oragon, huwag na huwag yung papalampasin ang bakbakang ito. Dito lang yan sa nag-iisang liga ng mga Oragon. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. Now, man-to-man defense is now established on the side of UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Talagang this is their last push to get this win sa ating huling mga laban for our elimination round. So titingnan natin kung papayag ba yung ACLC Think Pro na ganun lang kadali makuha ng UNC-TRIFIT yung kanilang panalo ngayong hapon na ito. Now, sa 3 puntos na hinahabol ng ACLC Think Pro, I think this will be exciting sa ating last quarter. And to hear an update, andyan si Casey. Hi Casey, anong balita natin dyan?
Well, Tin and Jasper, we have seen that the Think Pro Hawks are doing their best, which is good para makabawi sa kalamangan ng UNC-TRIFIT. Andito na nga tayo sa last stretch ng ating game and they have to give their best shot to close the gap and also have their chance to turn the game around. Every possession counts now, kaya kailangang mas maging matalas ang kanilang depensa at mas maging efficient ang kanilang opensa. They have to take advantage of every opportunities and stay composed even under pressure. Abangan nga natin kung sino ang mananaig sa labanang ito, kaya tutok lamang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. And ayun na nga, palitan ng fast break yung natunghayan natin on that last sequence. But this time, 3 points from Sakido and 2 free throws naman for Caronan on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Mapapatawag na nga dyan ng timeout ang ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks para momentaryling matigilan yung momentum na nasisimulan nitong ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga 6-point lead. Titingnan natin kung maibababa nila yan at still 10 nahihirapan na magkaroon ng change of favor itong ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks. But we can see their eagerness, their dedication na masungkit yan dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Siyempre pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Chicken Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Pearl Aesthetic Wellness and Beauty Center Naga, ARCO BICOL Party List, Surge Fitness Lifestyle, Angel's Pizza, Mary's Coffee, Mangkok's Kinalas, Nick Z Shop, and VDZ Massage and Spa. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta for our Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1.
At ayan nga po, mga ka-basketball fan, we only have 6 minutes and 17 seconds remaining for this matchup of ACLC Think Pro Hawks and UNC-TRIFIT Naga. But at the same time, it is still intense with that 6-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. Nasabi na nga natin kanina, hindi nagkakalayo yung puntos ng dalawang kupunan na ito. So ACLC Think Pro still have a match against UNC-TRIFIT. So let's see dito sa mga natitirang minuto kung paano pa ba ipapakita nitong dalawang kupunan yung kanilang eagerness to get this win, as Masa now natawagan dito ng violation on their side.
Illegal carrying of the ball violation. So let's see. Almost a chance there for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Grabe yung hassle dito ni Mase to get that ball, but mukhang nagkakainitan itong si Rempilio and Taugan. So let's see kung ano yung itatawag dito. Alright, so magkakaroon tayo dito ng officials review on that last sequence by Rempilio and Taugan. So titingnan natin kung ano talaga yung nangyari doon. And of course, kung ano yung itatawag na violations nitong ating officials with 5 minutes and 57 seconds sa ating fourth and final quarter. Napakagandang laban din yung natutunghayan natin dahil hindi pumapayag itong ACLC Think Pro Hawks na maiwanan sila ng basta-basta na lang nitong ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga. And still, nakita natin din kung paano nila maintain yung kanilang gameplay from our first quarter up until dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. The composure for both of these teams is still present for our fourth and final quarter.
Kung intense yung laban ngayon ng ACLC Think Pro Hawks and UNC-TRIFIT Naga, what more yung ating susunod na laban for our Game 3? It will be Naga College Foundation Tigers and JB Hart. Kaya para sa ating mga basketball fans, tutok lamang po kayo dahil magaganda yung ating hatid ng mga matches ngayong araw na ito. But back to this matchup of ACLC and UNC-TRIFIT. We've talked about it, how good this matchup is. Grabe yung improvement ng ACLC Think Pro dito ngayon. And now, jersey number 30, Rempilio, tatawagan ng technical foul on that last sequence.
That will be a technical foul for unsportsmanlike behavior here by Rempilio of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Makakakuha nga dito ng technical free throw Kevin Taugan of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga, plus a ball possession for them. So nakita ata ng referees natin doon na wala namang foul itong ginagawa si Taugan but Rempilio. And this time it's ball possession of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Now Villaflor on the outside, gumagawa ng diskarte sa Kido. Pinasimplehan lang yung tres, but no good on that attempt. And this time, Vargas to Basagre to Vargas once again. Grabe yung connection nitong dalawang to. A very beautiful contribution from the veterans of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. And of course, maganda rin ito para sa mga players ng ACLC dahil isa pa, may mga natututunan sila from the veterans. And this time, Vargas, maaagawan ni Masinas, Nico Caronan titira for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga as we are about to approach the midway of our fourth and final quarter. 70-65, 5-point lead ng ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga with that ball possession of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Anong gagawin dito? Vargas. Now to Tolosa. Let's see the connection of these two. Still no good for the ACLC. And still here coming from Rempilio. Mase, no good on that triple. And Joshua Villaflor securing that defensive rebound. Sakido naman ngayon. Right hand layup here for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Palitan na naman tayo ng fast break dito. Pero mas gumagana yung mga fast break nitong ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Kevin Taugan, finger roll shot. Grabe naman yon.
And even sa second chances, itong UNC-TRIFIT, kitang-kita natin yung talagang eagerness nila para mas mapalamang yung kanilang puntos dito. But there's a whistled foul there. 4-minute mark na po para dito sa matchup ng ACLC and UNC-TRIFIT. At mapapatawag nga ng timeout dyan ang kupunan ng UNC-TRIFIT. 75-65. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan dito ng UNC-TRIFIT. But let's see here the game highlights of these two teams. Talagang kitang-kita natin dito sa ating fourth quarter. Hindi naman nagpatalo yung ACLC Think Pro, but at the same time, nung kalahatian na nitong ating fourth quarter, medyo bumitaw yung magandang momentum dito ng ACLC Think Pro at naging advantage yun sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT para sa kanilang mga fast breaks and second chances. chance point. Now, after this timeout, ano ang gagawin ng ACLC Think Pro to lessen that gap and still have a challenging remaining minutes of our final quarter here. Now, UNC-TRIFIT with the ball possession. Villaflor passes to Masinas, fadeaway shot, no good. ACLC Think Pro now, an opportunity arises for them. Basagre, basket count with a foul. Ito yung mga kailangang plays dito ng ACLC Think Pro, but let's see it one more time. Beautiful point conversion here. Bibigyan pa ng bonus free throw. So let's see if they can lessen this gap of UNC-TRIFIT.
Ayun na nga, dahil lumaki na naman din yung kailangang habulin dito ng ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Lalo na patuloy na bumabawas yung ating oras for our fourth and final quarter. Let's see kung paano na nga isisigurado nitong ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga yung ating second game ngayong Sabado. Now Joshua Villaflor on the outside looking for his teammates. Ken Estrada. Now Caronan back to Villaflor. Diri-diretso na nga dyan din itong si Villaflor at masasabayan naman yan ngayon Sandigan. And Joshua Villaflor will be getting that 2 free throws on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Still, magandang bakbakan yung natunghayan natin din dahil ayun na nga, hindi rin pinayagan itong ACLC na maiwan na lang sila ng basta-basta nitong ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Now, Joshua Villaflor for his second attempt. And that was good on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. Now, Vargas for that baseline inbound. Vargas to Tolosa, almost snatching that ball by Ken Estrada. Now Tolosa on the outside, slowing things down. But Vargas is there for that quick 3. And that 3 is brought to us by GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO.
Ayan nga, Jasper, ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari dito sa natitirang 3 minutes ng laban ng ACLC at UNC. But at the same time, ACLC lumalaban pa against UNC-TRIFIT. Kaya talagang exciting yung mga susunod na kaganapan inside the court. But as we can see right now, UNC-TRIFIT, lots of opportunities right there. Ito yung kailangang bantayan ng ACLC Think Pro at mas paigtingin pa yung kanilang depensa dito. Now, Tolosa passes to Vargas or to Basagre rather with 16 seconds to shoot here. What will they do now? Basagre, babalik sa kanya ang bola with only 9 seconds to shoot. Vargas releases. Wala. Tolosa, second chance.
Grabe yun, Tin. Talagang ginamit niya yung katawan niya para isigurado yung puntos na yun. Still, anybody's ball game at this point. 79-73. Down to 6 points yung kailangang habulin dito ng ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks. And it's their opportunity this time. Basagre. Masasabayan nga dyan ni Joshua Villaflor. The simple possession here. Out of bounds by Kevin Taugan. Magandang chance ito for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks na maibaba yung kanilang puntos na hinahabol. Now, let's see. Vargas to Razon. ACLC, what will they do here? Basagre. Diri-diretso na nga dyan. Basket count plus a foul here. Grabe naman yon. Nasabayan kasi siya doon ni jersey number 30, Ken Estrada. Let's take a look once again sa ating instant replay. What a shot there by John Bernard Basagre. This 3-point play opportunity is very crucial. Thank you nga pala sa ating instant replay brought to us by Safe Gasoline and Anjana Trading. And that's good for John Bernard Basagre of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks.
Yan, meron na lamang tayong last 1 minute and 48 seconds para sa laban ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito. And as we can see right now, buhay na buhay pa. It's anyone's game here. And there's another whistle foul. para dito sa side ng ACLC Think Pro Hawks. At yung kitang-kita natin on the side of UNC-TRIFIT, napakaganda nung kanilang performance dito. Lahat ng players gumagalaw from Kentogan, Caronan, Villaflor, and the rest of the players. But at the same time, lumalaban itong ACLC Think Pro. Siguro some of you will not expect this kind of game, pero ACLC talagang nagpakita ng magandang performance for their last game. This elimination round, talagang sabi nila, hindi natin tatapusin yung ating journey dito sa Oragon Basketball League na hindi tayo lumalaban. As we can see right now, from the very start of first quarter, ACLC Think Pro, yung performance nila very commendable dito, most especially with the presence of two of their veteran players, Vargas and Tolosa. At ngayon, 83-78, just a 5-point lead of UNC-TRIFIT. So let's see here, if UNC-TRIFIT can end it, babawi ang ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Villaflor now with 15 seconds to shoot here. Heavily guarded, asking for his screen here. They're slowing things down. Villaflor to Masinas. And Masinas di alintana yung mga guardia dyan ng ACLC Think Pro Hawks.
Still, magandang performance ang ipinapakita ng ating UNC-TRIFIT Naga para isigurado yung kanilang panalo on our second game this Saturday. But John Bernard Basagre once again stepping on the free throw line for his 2 free throws. Nasabayan nga siya doon ni Masinas. 78-85. 7 points yung kailangan nilang habulin. But very limited na lang din yung oras dito ng ating ACLC. Think Pro Hawks, 45 seconds. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila dito para mahabol yung 6 points pa dahil hindi nakuha ni Basagre yung kanyang second free throw. Now let's see. Caronan on the outside. Villaflor, 36 seconds here. They are consuming their time here. Now, Villaflor still malayo on the basket. Now, Villaflor with 4 seconds on the shot clock. Quick 3. No good on that triple. Now, Tolosa for the ACLC. Think Pro Hawks. Quick 3 then. In and out ball for Tolosa, but still Bernard Basagre pumupukol pa rin for the ACLC. Think Pro Hawks, 10 seconds remaining for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga. At matatawagan pa nga dito ng foul itong si Ralph Razon of the ACLC. Think Pro Hawks, 8 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Pero 4 lang din yung naging lamang nila dito. Let's see kung dadagdagan pa yun ng dalawa nitong si Ken Estrada. And that first free throw was Ken Estrada. Was good. Grabe. Napakadikit nung laban itong dalawang teams na ito. But the ACLC Think Pro Hawks did not manage to get that change of favor dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Lalong-lalo na 6 na puntos yung lamang ngayon ng UNC-TRIFIT Naga and 8 segundo na lamang yung natitira dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Napatawag nga sila dito ng timeout. So let's see kung paano nila to gagawin. 8 seconds with 6-point lead. So this is very hard for the ACLC Think Pro Hawks na gawin man yung plano nila, lalong-lalo na kung plano nila ay magkaroon ng change of favor or even deadlock para sa ating overtime match. Now, John Bernard Basagre with 6 seconds on the game clock. Outside pa nga, a very crucial error here for Basagre of the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. 4 seconds and Ralph Razon with a snatch pa nga, but the time has ended. The official buzzer for the fourth and final quarter, narinig na natin. Once again, congratulations here for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga for getting their fourth win dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. 87-81 with that 6-point lead of the TRIFIT Naga. Congratulations din sa ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks sa pagbigay ng magandang laban, for maintaining their composure from the first quarter up until dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. That's the end of our fourth and final quarter. Don't go away dahil maya-maya lamang ay makikilala na natin ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon. Tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang lotro. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bibig. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bitbit.
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang lotro. Puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bibig.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Ladies and gentlemen, kasama ko na ang ating best player of the game from the UNC-TRIFIT Naga, brought to us by Kuya Nonoy Magtuto. And our best player of the game is none other than jersey number 29, Kevin Taugan, with 23 big points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, 4 steals, and 1 block. Once again, hatid sa atin yan ni Kuya Nonoy Magtuto. Now, first of all, Kevin, congratulations sa pagkamanalo nyo for our second game this Saturday. Gusto ko lang matanong kung in-expect ba ninyo itong laban na ito against the ACLC Naga, kung ganito, or in-expect ba ninyo na ganito kahigpit yung magiging laban nyo?
Hindi po namin na-expect yung ganitong resulta at alam naman natin na competitor sila nung nakakumbukal at nag-finals po sila. And nasa kondisyon naman po at mga bata po sila.
Alright, so for my second question naman, gusto ko lang matanong kung ano yung masasabi mo dun sa naging performance ng buong team for the UNC-TRIFIT Naga na nag-result sa pagkapanalo nyo or pagkakuha nyo ng pangatlong panalo nyo this season.
Okay naman po at lahat naman po sila nag-contribute sa laro and nasa kondisyon naman po sila.
Now, I am giving you the floor to shout out sa lahat ng sumuporta on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT Naga.
Shoutout po sa family ko sa Magaraw and sa UNC family and sa TRIFIT. And happy birthday po sa pamangkin kong si Seb. Thank you po.
Alright, once again, our best player of the game, jersey number 29, Kevin Taugan with 23 big points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, and 4 steals. And of course, 1 block. Hatid sa atin yan ni Kuya Nonoy Magtuto.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 29, Kevin Taugan. What a great performance coming from the side of UNC-TRIFIT Naga. But also, let's commend the performance of ACLC Think Pro Hawks dahil isang magandang laban po ang ating napanood. And of course, for our third game, it is an intense matchup between Naga College Foundation Tigers and JB Hart. Kasama niyo pa rin po ang inyong mga commentators. I am Christina Alcanzar-Reyes.
And I am Jasper Abante. Maraming salamat rin sa ating courtside girlies na nakasama. We have Chen and KC. And of course, sa lahat ng patuloy na tumututok sa ating top tier basketball actions. Once again, our next game will be the battle of the undefeated for this season, JB Hart and the NCF Tigers. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!